pretty, precious lady is in the house. If you have a little busy, please put them together for Akoni Lady Yoruba, guys.
Thank you for having me. Good afternoon, everybody. Ekaso. That's how to greet someone in Yoruba language. Ekaso.
Ekaso.
I want to hear your voice, people. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Ekaso. So I'm asking, how are we all doing? I am glad to be here. My name is Oluwadamilare Igbayiloye, and I am the founder and lead coach at Akonilede Yoruba, where we will help different age groups from age 4 to learn the skills to converse in Yoruba language. Trust me, there are reasons for you to have a deeper conversation with your children aside from the regular language that they are used to. What about your own mother tongue? What about your dad's language? It is not enough for your child to communicate with you only in, I don't want to say the language, but your local language, your indigenous language, your mother tongue, trust me, is as important as any other language. Nelson Mandela said, speak to a man in a language that goes to his head. Speak to the same man in his own language that goes to his heart. Trust me, you speak to me in my language, you will connect better with me. Speak to your child in your language, he or she will definitely connect better with you. And I'm glad to be here. We have from Yoruba books, resources, and classes that you can register your child for our classes. You can get our resources, our Yoruba books, Yoruba proverb book, and lots more. Trust me, this is